Hey, what's going on, fellow investors? For a while, I've been taking a very close look at the Charles Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, better known as SCHD, and I haven't really been impressed. Ever since the reconstitution, where they removed some stocks from the ETF and put new stocks in the ETF, I haven't really been sold. And I must say, I came across an article today that was actually put out May 1st that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. And I really want you to pay attention. Now, I just read this article as of this recording at the end of June, but I had a gut feeling that SHD may have made some small mistakes or errors when they did the reconstitution. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, we talk about exchange traded funds like SCHD, but more importantly, we show you how to invest on a budget. You only have $5, $10, even $2. Your boy got you. I'm going to show you exactly how to invest. I'm not going to touch your money for you. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. You need to do your own research before you invest your hard-earned money. But I am going to be using Robinhood to show you what I do and let you make the decision if it's a good move for you. With all that being said, subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. Well, today I'm going to be doing something a little different. Typically, I come on here and buy stocks, buy crypto, buy ETFs or exchange traded funds. But today, I'm going to be looking at possibly selling either portion or all of my position in SCHD. And what I want to do right now is go ahead and I want to share my screen. I want to pull up this article that I came across that really, I just came across it today, but I was already feeling this. And as you can see, SHD, 2025 annual reconstitution. Again, that's when they take certain stocks out that haven't been performing well in their opinion, and they put certain stocks in. Turned out to be ill-timed. Again, this was written on May 1st, 2025. Now, at the time, previously, this is from Seeking Alpha, one of the most popular investment websites out there. They had said that SCHD was a strong buy previously due to its resilience during downturns, but recent reconstitution and tariff changes have prompted a downgrade to buy. I hadn't even read this and I already felt like it just didn't look right to me. And what I'm going to be doing here in a minute is we're going to look and see what's in SCHD, what makes it. They call it the dividend ETF. Well, that's fine and dandy, but I'm going to show you other dividend ETFs, one in particular to me that makes more sense right now anyway. Now, their 2025 reconstitution, being SCHD, increased exposure to energy and consumer staples. I have a consumer staple ETF, XLP, the iShares ETF, and it's not doing that well right now. Will it do well later? I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. But these sectors are most likely to be negatively impacted by the new tariffs in the near term, say the next 1 year or so. And what I'm thinking about here, in the next year or so, I may revisit. Am I going to sell all of my SCHD in all of my accounts? I'm probably going to leave a little bit in all accounts, and I'll probably restart a position maybe next year during the next reconstitution. But right now, I'm just not feeling it. So what I'm going to do right now, we're going to take a look at this SCHD. What has it been doing? Why am I so bothered by this? And I am going to go into Robinhood, and it should be trading, let me go down here, $26.27. I'm going to make this quick, painless. All right. Every day or every little interval that I'm going to pull up, you can see today is down 0.77%. I'm right here. Make sure y'all see what I'm seeing. Yes, you do. In the last week, I'm not going to do the weeks. We're going to start with the last 3 months. That's how I've been doing all the other stuff. In the last 3 months, it's down 6.43%. I'm not going to trip off that because a lot of investments have been down in the last 3 months. Year to date, it's down 4.37%. A lot of things have been down year to date. Still not too bothered. But in the last year, I expect to see some type of recovery, and we're still down 0.4%. And somebody may say, well, Rob, that's not a lot. That's a lot to me. Everybody's ranting and raving about SCHD, and I know it gives you a good dividend every quarter, 26 cents per share. Whoop-de-doo. I'm going to show you something else that I plan on doing that could do better than this particular ETF. And in the last 5 years, everybody's talking about holding this long term. I could be a millionaire with SCHD. Well, in the last 5 years, they're up 49.37%. Not bad, but I know I can do better. So I could tell you, we are investing on a budget. So I probably don't have a lot in here. Yeah, I have $12.41 in my Robinhood account. This account is used for videos, but I have SCHD in every brokerage account that I have. And I've already started the party. I've already looked at SoFi. I've already looked at Fidelity. I've already looked at Webull. I haven't looked at JP Morgan Chase to see how much AC. I ran out of time today because I wanted to shoot this video, but I'm about to downsize pretty much all of my holdings now. So they have 103 companies, and here it is, y'all. Energy, 19%. Consumer defensive or consumer staples, 18.9. Healthcare, 15.5. There is no way. So what are they holding? What are they holding? Chevron, not bad. Energy. ConocoPhillips, Texas Instruments, Cisco Systems, Merck, Altria, AbbVie, PepsiCo, Lockheed Martin, and Verizon. Man, in my opinion, I'm not no stock analyst, and I'm not an ETF analyst, but I would give this a D, maybe a C minus maximum. So what I'm going to do before I go into what I'm going to replace this with is I'm going to look over here. I have $11.42, I think it said, $12.41. So what I'm going to do is go over here. It's going to default to buy. I'm going to click sell order in dollars, and it's going to probably make me keep a little bit. So I'm going to keep $1.40 in there, $1.41. I'm going to review the order. Go ahead and click sell, and it's done. That quick. Let's go over here and see if it's really done. Yep. I got $1.41. SCHD is and Robinhood is to a bare minimum. Now, I am going to replace this, so I'm not going to just leave it here. I'm going to show y'all what I really want to do with this. Here's what I'm going to replace it. It's going to be, now I'm not crazy. This is supposed to be a dividend ETF. I still need one. So I'm going to look at FDVV. I think I just did a video on this. The Fidelity High Dividend ETF. It's going to be a little higher. It's about 51 bucks. There it is, 51.30. It's down today, but let's see if it's red all the way across. Now, we're not going to do the week. We're going to be fair. We're going to start at 3 months, the same way we did with SCHD, and we're going to see exactly where it is. It is up 2.18% in the last 3 months. I'll take that. Everything else was tend to be red. Year to date, it's up 2.21%. I haven't seen any red yet in the last year. It is up 8.85%. And now this is it, because this is a long-term investment. What has it done in the last 5 years? It's up double of SCHD. SCHD, remember, was at 40 something. This is at 87.91%. I'm not the smartest dude in the world, but I know numbers. And last time I checked, 87 is almost double of 44. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here and click buy, because remember, I had it on sale for SCHD, so it stayed over there. I'm going to hit buy. Now, how much of this do we currently have? Oh, man, I'm rolling. I got $29.59, baby. Total return, I'm only up 1.60%, but I just recently started this position. So it's going to be buy order, dollars. How much money? I got $12, man. I'm going to put 10 of that. I'm going to keep the other one for a rainy day. And I'm going to get 0.9493 of a share. Go ahead and review the order. Now, keep in mind, we got 29.58. We got 0.57 shares. I'm right here. I'm going to review the order. Go ahead and click buy. It's telling me done deal. Let's see if it changed. It went from 29 to 39, and now I got 0.77. I almost have a full share just investing on a budget. And I could tell you, I haven't been putting $10 in here. I've been doing like 1s, 2s, and 5s. 5 must really be a good day. So now let's look at the difference. It's 120 holdings, almost the same as SCHD, but look how they got it spread out. 24% technology, 18% financial, 13% consumer defensive or staples, 11% real estate. Energy is way down here at 9%. No wonder they're doing better. Utilities is down there. Now let's go over here and see their top holding. Yeah, baby, 32% of assets. This makes more sense to me. Microsoft. Now, NVIDIA, I'm sorry. They must have it for growth, because NVIDIA does not have a good high dividend. I don't know where they got that from. Apple, JP Morgan Chase, great dividend. Philip Morris, great dividend. Broadcom, strong. Visa, strong. ExxonMobil, great dividend and strong. I have no idea what this is. A Coca-Cola, great dividend. Man, I am excited, y'all. This makes more sense. So, boy, I'm telling y'all, tomorrow, I am going to be really looking at all of my SCHD, because FDVV just makes more sense. So do me a favor. What are you doing with your SCHD? Has it been performing the way you expected? Did this unconstitute your portfolio? I'd love to hear about it. Put it down in the comments below. Again, I'm your boy, Rod. Do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on videos, live streams, shorts, and anything else I may do. Share the channel with the family, member, a friend, a co-worker. Hit that like button. We're trying to at least get 25 likes. And with all that being said, I will be coming at you soon with more heat, more fire, more knowledge, but more importantly, showing you how to invest on a budget and see that we can get to the bag, baby. As always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I guarantee you. I will be coming at you soon. Much love, y'all. Peace.